Hey guys, so today we are going to do my everyday makeup look. So this look is so minimalistic. Yeah, so we'll get into that. So I've already put my moisturizer on and I'm going to move on to my primer. This is the makeup primer by Vienna brand. It's a brand in Sri Lanka. So this is it's alright. I don't love it, but I don't know. I couldn't order anything else, so yeah, this is what I have. Quarantine issues. I've already put on my moisturizer, so I just had to start off with this. So now I have to move on to my foundation. This is the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. I'm just gonna apply it on my face, just like this, and I'm gonna blend it with my brush. So this is my brush. I'm just gonna blend it in. I don't have a brow gel. Quarantine issues again, so I have to avoid anything putting on my brows. So yeah, I'm just keeping it the way it is. So my foundation is done. I applied the foundation all over my face, so as you guys can see, I'll zoom you in. Okay, so as you guys can see, my skin is, not that much uneven, so I just don't want to like conceal anything, but I'm gonna use, so for my concealer I also use a foundation, which is this is the Mistine Coverall foundation, and I don't know if this is a common brand, but I got this from the duty-free shop in Thailand, so this is pretty good I think, but this is so light, so I just, and also this got stuck in here, so I can just spray it out, so I just have to do it like this, which is quite uneasy, I know. This is so light, so I'm kind of dark, so I'm just putting on the dots. So I'm gonna apply this under my eyes and also on my eyelid and this area, because I want to like highlight my eyebrows. I'm just doing it with my fingers because I think it's easier, but if you are into like doing it with the brush, it's quite fine. So I'm just gonna blend this in. Don't mind my eyelashes. As I told you guys, I'm trying to avoid this getting on my eyebrows because I don't have an eyebrow gel. So yeah. And also I'm trying to use this side of this brush. I don't know what to call this side. I'm just So this is the zoomed in version. Then I'm gonna blend this on my nose. I am using my hand to do this also because I feel like using my fingers is kind of easier, and yeah. So then I'm going to use my brush and blend it in. So now I'm gonna blend this. So as you guys can see, my eyebrows aren't affected, so I'm just gonna keep the way it is. I just like to keep my brows, you know, like an untouched version. So yeah, I'm just gonna rub this because I feel like I like to keep this messy, you know. This is my like everyday look. So you see there's this difference between left and right. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my mascara. This is the Dolly Big Eye mascara by Miss Teen. So I don't want to use a lash color because I want to keep things natural. That's the point of this whole video, so yeah. So while applying the mascara, I always move this in an outward motion. As you guys can see, one step, a huge difference. So this is the result. As I told you, it is already curled, even though I didn't use a curler. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. So my lashes are done. Okay, so we are almost done. We just have a little finishing steps and also the lip. So I just don't use a single lip color. So this is from a brand called Sivana Colors. This is, they don't have, this is the shade 9, this is the shade 2, I don't know. This is kind of darker, and also they have this lip liner, and this is a much orangish type of shade. So I'm going to blend these two and have a look. This is the Sivana colored matte lips of a darker shade. I just bought these makeups from a random shop in Thailand, so I don't know if this is a big brand or a small. So I'm going to line this and fill it in. just did the line and filled it in. So now I'm going to use the lighter shade. This is the shade number 2 of Sivana Colors. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this color to here and here. I'm just gonna blend it in with my finger. So this is the finished look on my lips. Okay, so we are almost done, except that I have a little bit of finishing touches. So I also have this Makeup Studio eyeshadow palette from Sivana Colors. So these are all glittery shades, but except for this, so I can't use these 2 fingers because I already blended my lipstick. So I'm just gonna use this finger and take this shade. This is kind of a little bit of black and a little bit of brown. I don't know how to call this shade. So this is the shade. So I'm just gonna quickly apply a little amount on each of my lids. This is the finished look on my eyes, which is quite natural. I have this birthmark right here, but I'm just gonna keep it that way because the whole point of this video is to have a natural look. So I just have one little step. So I have this cream illuminator from Oriflame. So I'm going to take a little bit of amount and put on either sides of my face and blend it in. What this does is that this gives a little bit of glow to your face. So I'm just gonna blend it in. Tutorial is complete. This is my finished makeup look. This is quite natural and nice. Okay, so that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also tap that bell icon too if you want to get notifications every time I upload. I upload every Sunday and occasionally on Tuesdays as well. Follow me on social, Instagram and Twitter. I'll link them all together down in the description below. Thanks for watching.